Hey, Dewey McDonald here from Guarantee RV. I got a brand new 2019 Torque. We made by Heartland. The model number is a 322. Let's go inside and take a peek. Got a nice big grab handle to get up here. You help yourself in the stairs. This particular model is a garage model, obviously. So you got a slide out here with recliners, Thomas Payne furniture. You've got good windows across from us, all LED lights, so this whole wall slides. Your refrigerator and freezers on that side. You got a nice big counter, big stainless steel sink. It's got the new Furrion glass top burner, glass oven, big microwave, little nice counter space here. Put some, you know, goodies, toaster or whatever. A lot of storage above us here. All LED lights. You got a TV mounted right here above you with your DVD player right there. So good little working space. You know, a lot of women like that. So good counter space. And then back in here, here's your bathroom with a tub. Big tall ceiling there with a skylight above us. Lots of room, lots of nice big shower. And then you got your enclosed with a pocket door here. You got a king size bed with storage underneath both sides. You've got nice closets on each side, cabinets above it. You've got your plug-in up there for USB, phone charger, whatnot. There's your, over in the corner over there's your generator. You can start your generator from right here in your bedroom. But this lifts up, so you've got storage under here, right there. So both sides, a lot of storage. Pocket door, so it shuts. So, nice walk around bed. Got the big tall ceiling, your LEDs above us, air conditioning. And back here is the garage. So, with your, this one in particular has, there's your tables that go on, you know, portable tables go in the holes. And then you've got your ramp door. It actually has a slider cover for keep the bugs out. Double bed. This makes into a couch, you know, sits down sideways. You got lots of height for getting a razor. Actually, these flip down to the side so they unpin, you know, so you got plenty of height to fit in a razor. So here you got an outdoor back door, and then you got a little half bath right there, which is kind of nice. So if you have, you know, extra people with you going to the beach and stuff. And then here, obviously mounted for your TV here, plug-in. These are your bed controls. More storage above us there, but good lighting back here. Big, tall, plenty of height. Ceiling fan, so nice. A lot of room in here for a pull trailer, toy hauler. It's almost set up like a fifth wheel. Actually, here, coming in the entrance, there's a nice big cubby hole. You can turn into a closet or a pantry, whatnot. And here's your controller panel here for your, it's pre-wired for solar on the roof. Here's all your controls, slide outs. Go outside. Your electric awning that goes all the way to the back over the door. So, magnetic, so you don't have to hold them. TV, refrigerator, sink, you can clean your fish out here. Nice little refrigerator. Pop that. Double axle. Here's all your water hookups, your power cord, cable hookup right there. Like I said, back door entrance to the back garage. Here's your, these got electric jacks. Those are for your jacks right there. Nice heavy duty door, lockable with the overhang, pre-wired for backup camera up there. So if you want that, your truck's set up for that, or they can do wireless. On the side here, you've got your ladder to get up on the roof with LED light there. Folds up against the unit. And here's your fuel station. You got your hose right here, your gas, satellite cable here, power cord right there. So here's that big slide for the couches and stuff. And on the front here, gas for your generator here. You got a 4,000 watt awning generator built in. So also magnetic, it's locked, but in the front here You've got a power tongue jack, you got the big tall tanks, and of course we put on 2 new batteries. So fiberglass cap with LEDs, great unit. Heartland makes a nice toy hauler, makes anything we sell. They're fifth wheels, trailers. So if you're looking for a trailer, camper, anything we sell, motorhomes and campers, toy haulers, fifth wheels, come see me, Dewey McDonald, Guarantee RV.